Chatterbox, leading open source voice cloning AI model. It clearly beats Elevenlabs Model A. Considering it's MIT licensed, free to use for commercial purpose, you have emotional control, voice cloning, low latency, on-premise deployments, and it's free forever. You got some examples here.
Introducing the next generation of refresh. Duff beer just got bolder, smoother, and brewed to perfection.
Text-based.
So let's make my mum's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan.
Case sensitive.
So I want you to get up now. I want all of you to get up out of your chairs. I want you to go to the window.
It's available in GitHub, and I'm going to show you how you can run this locally on your computer and able to generate text to speech same like this.
Now let's make my mom's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan. Then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit.
So even a beginner should be able to do this. Let's get started. So the Chatterbox is from Resemble AI. You have emotion control, super fast, consistently outperforms Elevenlabs in blind evaluations, built for developers, creators, and enterprises. It has real-time voice synthesis, zero-shot voice cloning, watermark and secure, developer first. Here's the clear comparison. Chatterbox is preferred compared to other models. I'm going to take you through step by step how you can install this with these commands and able to generate audio. You can generate using code and also using user interface. But before that, I regularly create videos in regards to artificial intelligence on my YouTube channel. So do subscribe and click the bell icon to stay tuned. Make sure you click the like button so this video can be helpful for many others like you. As a basic requirement, I'm using Python version 3.10. So here pip install chatterbox-tts and then Gradio and then click enter. Chatterbox text to speech is the main package and Gradio is for user interface. So once after you click enter, it'll get installed. So I got a code here. I'll also put this code in the link in the description. You can also get this code from GitHub repo. So this is the basic Gradio user interface and I'm using Mac. You also have version for Windows and Linux. So here I'm just going to open this app or run this application by typing Python and the file where the code got saved and then click enter. And now here's the URL. So I can open this and here's the user interface. This is just running locally on my computer as you can see here. So the first thing is like you can directly generate text to audio by just giving the text prompt here. And then you got different controls being neutral or adding more emotions. Here's the speed. So I'm going to keep it all default and temperature, everything as default. So now I'm going to click generate. Now it's generating on the right hand side as you can see here. Now it's done. For the first time it might take some time because it needs to download the model locally, then it will run it. And also it's based on your speed of your computer. This took approximately 30 seconds for the first time for me to run. So this is ready now. So going to play this. Let's hear how it's going to be like.
Now let's make my mom's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan. Then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be incredible.
That is brilliant. So going to add some extra emotions, slow down the pace and clicking generate. And now it is ready. Going to click play.
Now let's make my mom's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan. Then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse.
So you could try changing this and see how the difference is going to be like. And let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Now there is second thing which I want to show you is that you are able to upload a reference audio and generate this based on that. So I'm uploading a reference audio. So let's listen to that.
Je pense qu'elles s'en foutent en fait du fait d'assumer une femme.
So this is just a reference audio. Let's generate based on this. Clicking generate. This is like zero shot audio cloning. And it got generated. Let's listen to that.
Now let's make my mom's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan. Then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse.
That is brilliant. If you see, listen to the original. Here's the original.
Qu'on est sexy ne devrait pas nous enlever de la puissance, au contraire.
And it took the voice and it cloned.
Sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be...
That is brilliant. And it's just one shot. I don't need to train any model. It's automatic. And I'm super impressed considering it's free for us to use even for commercial purpose. You can host this locally on your own server as well. Finally, I want to show you how you can run this on your computer by just running the code. So you got the code here. So all this code also available in GitHub in this repo. And you got all the code here, example for Mac, text-to-speech, voice cloning, and Gradio. You also have voice conversation, which you can try. For Gradio on Mac, I need to make few changes, which I will put that in the description below. So here is the example code for Mac. So audio.mp3 is the reference which I need to clone. So that is the same audio which I showed you before. So I named that audio.mp3 here in the example for Mac. Then just typing example for Mac for Python and then click enter. This will automatically use that original audio as reference and clone the voice with the text provided. So here's the text provided. So based on that, it's going to create the audio, and the audio is available here. That is brilliant. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like text-to-speech, open source models, I also created another video about text-to-speech API for ChatGPT, which is also a good alternative, which you can try that. I'll put the link in here. I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.